Hello and welcome to a tutorial video of how we open an account with Equiti. Equiti is our new broker that we've partnered with in Dubai for some of our international clients. So it's very straightforward. Okay, so here you're just putting in your country, a bit of registration information. Just follow the procedures, names, usual kind of KYC kind of information. Make sure you tick all the boxes to be able to proceed. I'm not a robot, and then just continue. You'll now need to send me a code. Okay, so we've got the verified email address that you would have used. Takes a few seconds or a minute or so. Just wait for the code, enter in the verification code, and submit. Okay, now we've a bit of personal information, date of birth, nationality, address, city. A bit of military, government, and political information that you'd need to answer yes or no. Okay, answer that and press continue. Now that's you all set. Now we can move on to the deposit and completing the verification. It's taking a minute to load here. That's great. So now we have got some questions to answer, some trading experience. Have you ever traded CFDs? Employment status, annual income, total net worth, source of wealth. Just answer these to the best you can. It shouldn't hold you from being able to open an account. Just answer it as accurately as you can. That'd be great. So then just press continue. That's the profile all set. Now we just need to verify some documents. So your bit of your KYC stuff, international passport, driving license, or your ID card. Again, just choose your most preferred way. Select that, and you will probably get an option to upload it. To get the option here to either use the scan the QR code for taking the pictures, quite common and normal kind of procedure, which maybe you've done before. If not, just scan the QR code or take you to another browser, or you can either send a link by email. You can decide what's most suitable for you. Okay, so then that's your documents will be under review. It can take about 30 seconds to get them all approved. It's always a pretty straight and clean process, which is great. And then this will then take us on to the deposit side. Once we've deposited the funds, then we are at the final stage. Okay, so now we just click and press deposit. Okay, so you can use a credit card or debit card, deposit to the account, put in the amount that you would have discussed with the account manager, $1,000 in this example. USD, again, you can choose your currency, but USD most favorable. And then it gives you the option to select the bonus option. You select that, and then now it's just onto your card details, add your card details, and as you normally would, card name, number, and that is it. Okay, hope that all makes sense. And once you've submitted it, get back in touch with us and we will connect your account and we will start trading. It's great news. Thank you. Bye.